Welcome to DIY Design by CCW, DIY Design for the 21st Century. My name is Candy and I'm the host of this channel. Now let's get into this video. Well, hello there everyone. Welcome to DIY Design by CCW. I hope everyone's having a fantastic day. And as always, I thank you so much for tuning in today, guys. You know what time it is, guys. It is Tablescape Sunday. And this Sunday, the Divas have asked us to do an outdoor tablescape. Now, the host for this week's collaboration is Lynn's Lifestyle Living. And of course, her co-hosts are the other members of the dynasty, and that is Miss Mysterious Alberta, Cynthia SheSoBless, Miss Geraldine of Diva Decorating, and the wonderful Tammy of Me, Myself, and DIYing It. Now, again, these ladies come together every other week and put together Tablescape Sunday, so that it can help all of us grow our channels and show our tablescape skills. And again, I love participating and I'm thankful for what they do. So if you're not a member of their channels, please go over and show these ladies some love. I promise you, you will not regret it. Now, guys, today you'll see that I'm out on my patio here. And what I've done is a little two-seater tablescape. And basically all I did was shop my home and use some things that you may have seen before. Most everything on the table is disposable, except for the pillows and the centerpiece. And that's really it. So I'm not going to talk a lot, just wanted to tell you what I'm doing, and I'll be quiet and let you look at the tablescape. And also, if you will hang on, what I did is also bring this same tablescape inside and scale it up to see what it would look like inside. So again, you can use some of the same things that you would use indoors, you can use them outdoors. So again, guys, I'll be quiet, let you check this out, and then I'll come back on and I'll show you the indoor version of the same tablescape. So, all right, guys, I have taken everything that I had on the tablescape outside, moved it inside, and scaled it up a little bit just to show that you can do the same thing, same tablescape you would do inside or outside, would work inside. You know, you can, they don't have to be different, really. Again, I'm using a lot of disposables, but there's nothing wrong with it, using disposables in your tablescape. So again, I'll be quiet and let you take a look at what the tablescape looks like scaled up. So again, inside, I added a couple more pillows and a couple more place settings. But other than that, everything is pretty much the same. And again, I'll come on and talk to you briefly at the end. All right, guys, we are back where we started. I want to thank you so much for tuning in today. And guys, if you're not a member of this channel, I hope that you will consider doing that today. Hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. And again, I want to give another shout out to the host and hostess for our co-host rather, for this collaboration. Again, it's the Diva Dynasty. They're 5 wonderful ladies that bring us together every 2 weeks for Tablescape Sunday. The host for this collaboration is Lynn's Lifestyle Living, and her co-hosts are Miss Mysterious Alberta, Cynthia SheSoBless, Miss Geraldine of Diva Decorating, and Tammy of Me, Myself, and DIYing It. So again, please go and visit their channels. I'll have links in the description box. And guys, please visit the playlist so that you can see what all the other ladies came up with. And I want to thank you again. And listen, stay safe, stay prayed up, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.